Okay, let me talk about my setup and how I have this everything set up. So first thing first is I use a Linux operating system. So yeah, if you are a architect, you should already know where this is going already. So it's as complicated as it gets. So the software I'm using for recording is OBS Studio, and yeah, let me show my screen and how I have things set up. So I have, if you can see for here now, you see I have different things. So this is for TikTok live stream, and also I can record on my phone, and also it took me quite some time to have everything set up. I can record on my phone. I can record my screen, laptop screen. I can record with camera focus, which is this one you are seeing right here. So this is the one for my laptop screen. I have two phones. I have an Android and an iPhone, and I can record the screen for each of them and have them displayed on my screen. So yeah, the distro I use is called CowOS. It's not very common. If you there's obviously like a lot of distros, but the one I end up sticking with is this. And the reason is you get latest packages and latest updates, latest Linux firmwares and stuff, and also a pretty good community. It's quite small community, but they are pretty good. Packages are well updated and everything. So I have my disk partitioned, my home and my root folder partitioned differently. I think that's yeah. Let me show you how I set up. So for my iPhone, I use something called UX Play. I just want the command there. So I use something called UX Play. So it creates like a like a AirPlay server. I can just come to my iPhone and just come like this and go to like screen mirroring. And as long as we're on the same Wi-Fi, we're not currently on the same. So I just have the iPhone connected to the same Wi-Fi. So I will start this one. So yeah, so as long as we're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, if I just go to screen mirroring, I will see my phone. I will see my laptop as a device that I can connect to. Let me see what this is like. So I'll see I will see it. So UX Play at live. So once I do that, I can already still see my screen, but if I go to my the scene I want my phone to show. So the screen capture, I can just click this and say I want to open the selector again. So this will open up the selector to say which part of my screen I want to share. So I will share the window I have my phone open on. So once I do that, as you can see, now you can see my phone screen now. Now yeah, so you can see my full screen. Now I can align this. If I open something that requires portrait, it will go portrait, and yeah, I can swipe around, do different stuff, and yeah. So this is it for iPhone, but for my Android, this is how I have it set up. So let me just continue on that. So I will switch to the screen record. So for my Android, I use this called screen copy. So this is dash no control command just means I won't have to control it with mouse. And since I want to do screen record, I don't really want to control it with mouse. So for now, I'll be using a wired connection. Android phone. The Android phone, there are two methods about it. I can actually use wireless, but it's kind of laggy and it won't be fast enough. Sha. So let me run the command for the screen copy server. So once I run this, since my phone is connected via cable, it just detects the device and just opens it up immediately. And yeah, I can already see my screen. So let me just go back to the phone screen and get this remote. So if I go to window and I will just select the window I have my phone on, and yeah. So yeah, so this for my phone screen. So if I can also record this with like a gameplay or something, or just to show something off. So which is I think is very cool. Yeah, so that's my setup. Is there anything else I might be missing? So back to my PC screen. Yeah. So for my PC screen, I just use normal pipe wire, just normal screen record protocol for the PC, and that works.